found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now.
Alrighty, let's see what we got. Open the door here. Let's see what we got in here. Two little buddies. Let's see what's. Can you show me the tunnel?
Here.
Let's see the tunnel.
Here.
No, go through it.
Go doggy, go doggy.
What's that?
Dinosaur.
Is that the lookout?
Yeah.
Do we make a hole in there? Yeah, let's try. All right, and then we got the swing. Can you show me the slide down into the boxes?
Yeah. 3,
Whoa. See you
2.
later.
And you have to push that up if you want to go through it. Okay, push that up if
Alright.
you want to go.
Let's see from over here. We got the rock wall,
Every time
climber, the slide, a little fort under there, a little fort up here.
Can you try to make like that?
Here, maybe I cut one in this.
Why did you put tape on?
Can I see you?
Why did,
Are you in there?
yes.
Can't see you. Where's your head?
Can you take the tape off so we can do these?
There's no tape on it. It's just stuck in there. It's stuck in there so that it can stay up there. You don't have to go through there, all the way through there. Oh, a little peek hole. You like it? What?
I'm about to fall.
Wow. If you're curious about the wooden fort back there, I made that for a surprise for Christmas 2 years ago now. There's a full build on it, so go check that out. Simple build for pretty much anyone. Maybe not simple, but it's doable and pretty cheap. So go check that out, and thank y'all for watching. Catch you in the next video. Toodaloo.